This video will be very beneficial to you. So watch the video till the end, though the video is long, but it will really help you out guys. So guys, in this video, I'll show you live project which I received through Fiverr, in which the buyer has given me a business name, Massage Spa, and some location from where I should scrap the data. So the deal is I should scrap 8,000 data. This deal was done under $100. Now I'll show you what file given by the buyer where he has given me the required information he wants, like business name, phone number, address, city, state, website. Along with it, he has given me location from where I have to scrap the data as I told you earlier. So guys, without wasting time, I will take you to my Word file. Also, I'll talk about business directory from where I scrap the data. In future, you could also use this to scrap the data when you start getting orders on Fiverr, Upwork or Freelance. You will find all the information there and you did not search on Google and waste time. Okay, now let's get started. So guys, this is the Word file. The client wants name, website, city, state and phone number. He has given the location from where I have to scrap 8,000 data. Now it's up to me. I can choose any location and scrap 8,000 data. First of all, open Chrome. So the name of the web directory from where you can scrap data is yp.com. That is yellowpage.com. Yellow Page is the best web directory from where you can get almost every business info, and you can scrap data or can do copy paste work. Anyhow, it's up to you. Let me enter massage spa in search box and location. Okay, I have already entered one data entry before to show you. That is like, so it goes like this: business name, address, street, postal code, phone number and website. If I copy paste one by one, it will take decades for me to complete the task. So of course I'll not do this manually. For that I'll use a tool. It's an amazing tool, free tool. Actually it's a Chrome extension. The tool name is Instant Data Scrapper. Yeah, Instant Data Scrapper. Before using this tool, you gotta add it as extension. You could watch other videos on YouTube to add it if you are not a tech savvy. After you click it, you could notice a red boundary around the data, and whatever the data is available by red boundary will automatically get scrapped. Look how easy it is to scrap data. Sometimes there might be extra data. You could delete that info later. You will find an option locate next button. You gotta click it and let that tool know where the next button is, so that it will automatically scrap the next pages in no time. So you gotta tell it only once and again open the extension and click start scrolling. So now automatically it will go to the next page and starts to scrap the data. It is completely free tool, no need to pay. For now, how much data it has scrapped, I'll show you how much it works. If you have any problem, I hope you don't. If you have, then you can direct message me on Instagram or email me at IamTechVishal. I want the data in XLSX, not CSV, so the data is getting downloaded. It's damn simple. Let me open and show you how easily I have collected the information through it. Look, this is the URL. The information which I don't require I am deleting for now. This is the website, category, phone number, postal code, city, address, business name and URL. All data has been easily scraped. All the data is easily available to you without paying them. It's absolutely free to you. I hope you now got confidence and you will start working from home through Fiverr or other sites. I'll soon cover videos on the websites on my channel soon. Also try to practice whatever tricks I will tell you so that if you have any queries you can contact me and can deliver the order without fail to the buyer. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, like it, share it, and if you have any queries, write your comments in comment section or direct message me on Instagram or email me at imtypevishal. I'll try my best to solve your queries and help you out. Thank you and subscribe my channel.